Okay, Mumai, what are you doing?
I am
You are?
taking this from this
This banana outside, from outside.
Yeah.
But I don't know what do you think. Going to eat this or not? It's okay?
This is banana from outside where we're renting. And according to the owner, we can take all the bananas around. And then somebody, neighbor, cut it off. Like, this is the third time they cut it off. So the first time they cut off, so I just think about, oh, okay, and we no longer cut off anything there because we don't want trouble. But they cut off this. Actually, there are 2 trees of this banana, but they left this one. Maybe because they cut off unintentionally, because it's still, or they don't know it's not yet ready pa man, still small. So I take it. They just cut off and leave it on the ground. So on that day, I told Vanya, if nobody will take that on the afternoon, I will take that. Because sayang. Petrovich is so behave. Every time Vanya cuts his nail, he's like that. Very behave. Look at that. We take like this.
For what?
La, they will see I stole this. Tala?
Hello?
Maybe take like that?
Yeah, take it. Mumai likes this bamboo. We can use it as a, how do you say, fence?
Yeah.
Yes, and me and Mumai just little bit exploring area near our place. Yes. Yes, and I like to explore that kind of roads. That's not so bad road, good road. Here in the Philippines, many places very good road.
Hello, today it's Holy Week, so we're cooking isda. We're cooking grilled isda. It's yellowfin. And a while ago we kaligo here because there are lots of people in 2 rivers. So we wanna chill, but there are lots of people, so we decided to kaligo there.
Yeah,
But the water is very hot. Like really hot, so we didn't enjoy it so much.
Enjoy.
Charot.
Yes, Pop's already making another side of the roof. I think after tomorrow we're going to buy steel, yes, and start to make a roof. And after that we come back, go there and start to dig again. Yes, for the house, for Payag. Yeah. And this one, it's not the house. We will not live here. Maybe sometimes we can stay here for a night. Yes, rest. Yes, camping here. But it's not for living. It's just like a rest place. And today we have isda. Today
What
you
kind of
eat
isda is that, love?
yellowfin.
How do you know it's yellowfin?
You teach me.
How? Tell them.
How? Because here
Yes,
yellow. Yes.
We're going to eat now.
You're going to eat?
Yeah.
What you have?
Our fish is ready.
Lami?
Lami ni siya nga fish. Especially for soup ba?
Yes, very yummy fish.
But what about for tinola? You like this for tinola?
Yes, I like it. Machka already makes sauce.
White meat ni siya nga fish.
Oh.
It's white meat fish. No, may white meat, like brown meat, or very reddish, like. But this one is.
Lami, white. More white.
It's like, milk fish.
Oh.
Diba?
Yeah.
Less bones.
Yeah, less bones.
So lami.
Mm.
Vanya find big bottles. Mga bottle ni. So mana. What's that in Russian?
I don't know. Шлещинки.
Slishinki.
Шлещинки, да.
Some people eat that, right?
Yeah, but it's not so yummy, I think.
Of course, it's not lami. Vanya is preparing this place because later on, or maybe next month, I guess, we're going to plant their frog grass. Yes, first we're going to plant here frog grass. We're going to, because we're planning to make landscape and we want frog grass. We want to use frog grass for our landscape. We started doing landscape there, but first we're going to plant it here, and we're going to take frog grass from here and put it everywhere we want.
Yeah,
diba?
because if I will not do this right now here, it will be like that after maybe half year. Yes,
It starts to grow.
I decided to don't do this right now, don't cut it right now anymore, and start to make like that.
Yeah, show them the big root,
Yeah, and also
because
take
it will
off.
start to grow.
Yeah, start to
So
grow.
he have to go take off this big root.
Like that, yeah.
Yeah.
Look.
See, it's,
It start to grow.
if we will
And
not take it off,
it will never stop.
yeah, it will never stop. It will start to grow. So I told Vanya yesterday that we're going to use Carabao for this na lang, but we've decided to do it on our own since we're not in a hurry, and it's also an exercise for him and also a stress reliever for him, and he's actually having fun doing like that. So he said no need, because we're not in a hurry. We'll just do it on ourselves, by ourselves, because we like doing it. Diba, love?
Yeah, I like it. Stress reliever. I just need to music and that's it. And you're going to buy for me a headset.
What about my voice?
Huh?
What about my voice? Not
Good.
enough.
But you cannot sit here always. Because Mama also helped to do something, like she helped cooking, she helped water the plants.
And I plant.
Yeah.
So someday, guys, if we're going to live here, if our payag will be finished and it's ready to be occupied, we're going to live here with electricity and everything. We're planning to buy animals. We want to have goats. I want to have baka too, but they don't want baka. Vanya and Pops doesn't want baka. Actually, they doesn't want so much to take care of animals because they're
Because we're animals.
they feel sorry about it. Yeah, I keep telling them, let's have this, let's have that. Before, they doesn't want to have chickens, but I asked them, I begged them for us to take care of chickens, and they said yes. And then later on, I asked Pops that we're going to take care of candying goats, and at first he said no, because I feel sorry for the ghost, blah 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 blah, and what are we going to do with it? We're going to eat it, or we're going to, I said, no, we're not going to eat it. If we don't want, we're just going to sell it. Yeah, they really don't like to kill animals. One time, it's a story time. First time I bring Vanya in fiesta in our place in somewhere in Dawin, in our barangay. He saw this early in the morning. He saw these pigs. He saw these pigs lying on this pig house. Yes, and he saw how my relatives killed this pig for, you know, fiesta. That's our tradition thing to do. If ever there are fiesta, we kill pigs at home, we cook pigs at home. So he saw all of that, and then after that, there's lechon is ready. Lechon is ready, and he feel very bad about it. He felt very bad about it, and he didn't eat baboy, all baboys in fiesta, all baboys. He didn't eat baboy. If he saw fish, that's what he ate. And also even lizard, you don't wanna like hurt lizard, or even snakes. In the place where we rented before in the city, there are like maybe 3 snakes went into our house, and I told him to kill the snake, and he didn't even kill one snake. He just shoo the snake. He opened the he make way for the snake to go out, so of course the snake will keep coming back. And that's also one reason why we transferred here, because of the snake. Yes,
because here we don't have the snake.
even, yeah, we don't have, don't worry guys. Many people actually in the comments telling us are we not scared of snakes here? There's no snakes here because so far we don't see snakes. And there are lots of people taking care of their lots. For example, here they clean that lot, and the owner of that lot there, they also clean that, and also the owner there, they clean, and the owner there, that's a cafe, so they also clean their lot. So everybody clean their lot, so we're guaranteed there's no snakes here because they always clean their lot and they always plant it. That's why. And even ants. Vanya doesn't hurt ants. Yes.
No, it's not true.
Oh.
Hate ants if they biting.
He just hates ants if they biting, but he doesn't wanna hurt them. So that's the story. But expect soon, not soon, someday we're going to take care of, we're going to have chickens and goats, and hopefully they will say yes to our baka, because I really want to have baka. It's nice to have cows here. It's like they can just eat the grass, and if they help you, I know, no need to take care so much of the land because you have like a cow mower. But they don't like it, but hopefully they...
Say hello. Lagi. Oh. Okay, we bring today the other part of roof. Yes, this one. And we drive twice because it's a little bit difficult to drive with this one on the motorcycle. Yes, and we need to go twice, but it's okay. I hope today pups will finish all the roof, and tomorrow we already can eat here, cook here something, like it will be more comfortable.
Vanya will take it off because we're going to replace it with dwarf coconut. What if it's dwarf coconut, love?
Why?
What if that's dwarf?
I don't think so.
We're planning to plant dwarf coconuts or other plants on June. Start of rainy season. Diba, love?
Diba?
Diba? So we're preparing the area. It's still April, so we still have lots of time. Right, love?
Yeah.
Here.
Pops destroyed hammer.
Не
Showing
пап
some-
destroy. Don't
Pops
pap.
destroyed. Oh,
No.
very
Pops
bad.
destroyed the hammer.
Oh.
Pops
Yes.
destroyed the hammer.
Yeah.
No. No
And
pap.
destroyed the nails.
It's bad
Destroyed
made.
everything.
Bad made. No.
It's very old. That's why.